Hey guys, EG Scary here, unboxing Distortions Unlimited Edition. So the adhesive here is a little sloppy. So this is the back of it. The puppet overall pretty cool. The way it's painted and everything. My two complaints is the glue up in here. It's not perfect what I would expect from Distortions. There's glue that got on here, or adhesive, and then when you put your hand in, it is cut in a way that it makes it really hard to make the mouth move. Distortions Unlimited 2018. Yeah. You really would have to do some kind of work inside of here to make it interact more like a puppet, like it's supposed to be. It takes a lot of effort. There's not much to grip on, and actually you could see here, this is my finger in the gum line, so it's really thin where it could bust through. That's concerning. Same deal down here. So oh well. And it's a weird angle, so it's hard for me to even do this. Subscribe to the channel. Give us a big thumbs up if you like the video. EG Scary out.